8 Pro Plus, a camera-centric phone from the Oppo. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, new customized 5nm processor, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Today I will show you the unboxing of the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus and give you my first impression. Hey guys, Mikey from the techmaiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon. So first, let's go through the unboxing. You can see the branding written over here. But let's quickly cut through the packaging and see what the device looks like. Lifting this up, we get another box containing the following transparent case, SIM ejector tool and user manual. Next up, it's the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus phone. We will unwrap this later. And inside here we have the 80W charging adapter and the USB Type-C to A cable. Now let's talk about the design. As per look, the design of the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus is not as polarized as the Oppo Find X5 series, but the design style look like Find X5 series. The current Oppo Reno 8 series integrated styling has become the Oppo's family style design language. After all, major mobile manufacturers pay more attention to the continuation of the design language. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus adopts a flagship hot blending integrated shape, and the impressively raised camera area on the back is quite eye-catching. Almost every user who gets this phone will comment on the camera design. In terms of the detail, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus 3 camera module slightly raised from the body and has a huge area. The openings of the two cameras are very large, the curve of the frame and the part close to the middle frame. The aluminum alloy middle frame slightly extended to the camera module area, and the sense of the unity of the whole machine is quite strong. If we talk about the placement, on the right we have the power button with green accent on the top. On the left we have the volume rocker, and the bottom we have dual SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port and bottom firing speaker. On the top we have secondary noise cancellation mic and the IR blaster. Phone comes with the stereo speakers. Now let's talk about the front. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus uses a flat body and has the narrowest chin in the history of the Reno family. The lower frame is only 2.37 mm. After the screen is bright, the whole front almost so narrow 4 sides. It is worth mentioning that this time the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus also adopted a central punch hole design for the front camera instead of the left side punch hole that is common in the Oppo phones. This camera is derived from the super sensitive cat-eye lens Sony IMX709 with 32 megapixel and the RGBW array. In terms of the screen, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus is equipped with the 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen with resolution of 2412 by 1080p and the maximum peak brightness of 950 nits. It uses a blue diamond pixel arrangements which looks good to the naked eye. And it also has a Oppo, the self-developed super sensing engine, supports almost all video apps in terms of colors. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus provides 3 colors, black, silver and mint. Now let's talk about the camera. Phone comes with the rear-facing triple camera setup consisting 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. Among them, main camera is a Sony IMX766 large sensor. The ultra-wide angle is Sony IMX355 which has a 112-degree field of view and the 2 megapixel macro sensor. However, don't forget Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus also has a Marina Mary Silicon X chip flashing. IMX766 plus Mary Silicon X and the Find X series image algorithm plus Oppo portrait algorithm plus Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus alone. This main camera is enough to give user brings an extraordinary shooting experience. You can see the night and daytime photograph.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Now let's talk about the performance. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus is equipped with the exclusive customized Dimensity 8100 Max chip with the LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage specifications. In terms of the core architecture, the Dimensity 8100 Max still uses the TSMC's 5nm fabrication process, consisting of 4 core of A78 core with the main frequency of 2.85 GHz. Just take a look at the benchmark score. The overall score of the Antutu is 7,96,378. In general, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus has basically reached the flagship level in the running score. You can play the high-end game with the high setting. The first is the highest quality 120Hz Honor of King. As shown in the picture, the average frame rate around 119.2 FPS. Now in the Genshin Impact with the 60 FPS, the average frame rate of the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus is 39.1 FPS and the frame stabilization index is 8.6. You can also play the PUBG Mobile with the high setting. In terms of the temperature, don't worry too much. The measured maximum temperature is around 43 degrees, which is hot but not hot. In terms of the heat dissipation, Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus brings a super crystalline graphite heat dissipation system, and the official said that the total heat dissipation area is 2.2 times higher than the previous generation. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus is equipped with the latest ColorOS 12.1, which has been upgraded mainly around user privacy, smooth experience and the full screen collaboration. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus have the 4500 mAh battery, can charge 0 to 100% in just 31 minutes. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus supports 80W super flash charge, supports intelligent battery health algorithm, can extend battery life up to 1600 cycles. Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus base variant price in China is around 3699 yuan. If we convert it in the pound, around 440 pounds. You will get the buying link in the description section soon. Let's talk about the conclusion. No matter from the design point of view or from the image experience, this time Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus has a feeling of a small find. The decentralization of the Mary Silicon X allows the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus to obtain a relatively high-end imaging experience at the relatively mid-range price, especially in the shooting of 4K high-scene video. Even higher price image flagship can go back and forth. On the other hand, the Dimensity 8100 Max is also a sub-flagship SoC that takes both performance and power consumption into the account, allowing the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus to ensuring the good performance release as well as the relatively ensuring the power consumption at the heat problem. Of course, there are also some shortcomings of the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus, such as the lack of the optical image stabilization of the main camera and the super wide angle and the 2MP tactical macros that make people feel down. So what you guys think about it? What is the max you pay for the Oppo Reno 8 Pro Plus? And tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any question, just comment below and we will answer them soon. Also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for the watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you soon in the next one.